Have you ever wondered what it takes to be a successful business analyst? In this video, we'll explore the roles and responsibilities of a business analyst and why it's such a crucial role in today's business world. A business analyst is a professional who analyzes an organization's business domain and documents its business processes or systems, assessing the business model and its integration with technology. Their primary role is to identify business needs and determine solutions to business problems. They work closely with stakeholders to gather and analyze requirements and then recommend innovative solutions that align with the organization's goals. To excel as a business analyst, you need strong analytical skills, excellent communication skills, and the ability to work in a fast-paced, dynamic environment. A background in business, finance, or IT can also be beneficial. If you're interested in pursuing a career as a business analyst, consider enrolling in the Digichrome Advanced Certification Program in Business Analytics and Project Management. Our program will provide you with the skills and knowledge needed to succeed in this exciting field. Don't miss out on this opportunity to advance your career in business analytics. Enroll now in the Digichrome Advanced Certification Program. You'll find the course link in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more career tips and insights. Thank you for watching.